Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and view and delete incognito history right there in your Chrome. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you go to your Chrome browser and simply go to your home, tap on this three dot given and tap on this history option, you can find all of the history of your browser. But if you do the same with go to the incognito tab and tap on this three dot, tap on this history, you will find nothing over here. So for that purpose, what you gotta do, simply go to your search bar and type in Chrome. Simply go ahead, search it up, and now you will see all of these options and the links. So the one that you're gonna go ahead tap is, and this will open this kind of interface again, Chrome Net Internals, and this will open this kind of interface for you. And then what you're going to do is tap on this DNS options. For example, whenever you search something or use the incognito tab right there in your Chrome, the search the files, it turns to be DNS file right there. So what you're going to do is simply tap on this clear host cache over here. This will clear all of the cache of your incognito search. So this is one of the options you can do to clear out your search history from your Chrome right there. Tap on this one and this will remove all of the search history that has been saved as DNS files. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can do it. If you got more questions, to leave them in the comments below, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.